Here we want to use Selenium to click the start button. So first we need to import Selenium's WebDriver, and we need to import by so we can find the element by XPath. So we will be using the Chrome driver, and we will get this website. We will maximize this is optional, maximize the driver window and print out the driver title. This was this title right here, the internet, and it prints out right here. To find this XPath using Selector Hub, we click this, more tools, developer tools, and then we see Selectors Hub right here. We click this arrow, and then we click the start button, and then we see relative XPath // button normalize space start, and we just copy it right here. So driver dot find element by XPath, and then we put this in quotations, and then we will name this the start button, and then we will click it, and when we run this code we see what would happen.